Ghost here. So what makes an Ar15 or basically an AK, anything, an assault rifle, any semi-automatic mag-fed, an assault rifle in New York? And what is it that makes it an assault rifle? What'll keep you from being arrested? Okay. First of all, this is like Governor Cuomo would hate to see this. This is like the worst for him because it's got every friggin' feature in the world. So I pictured this, took this guy out. First off, this is a pistol. So in New York, this would be technically a pistol. You need a pistol permit for this. Now, honestly, I don't know how that works. If I don't know. I'm sure they wouldn't let you have this as a pistol. Maybe I'm wrong, but I'm here to tell you about what makes it an assault rifle. Okay, so let's see here. We'll start off. The law is you cannot have a semi-automatic that takes more than 10 rounds now, and it cannot have any features on it that they consider evil if it's a semi-automatic. What are evil features in New York? Pistol grip. So you'd have to like chop that off. Imagine that was gone. Now that's out of there. You don't want that there. Gone. Evil feature. Pistol grip. Stock. Evil feature. It moves. It's four position. It slides. That makes this against the law. Another evil feature. This is a pistol brace. It's not even a stock. It's just for it moves. That's either way. So that makes it illegal because it moves. So you can't have. Let's take this out of here. Oh no, double stacked 30 round magazines that were produced after 1994, even though that doesn't even matter anymore for the safe fact. This, illegal, high capacity feeding device, felony, felony, both of these. And they're coupled up, so that's even more evil. Holy crap. So that's probably they'll add another felony somehow with this. Say it's something. You would get a felony for this. Definitely. For having an assault weapon, and especially pistol configuration. I don't know what the hell they would call this because it's a pistol legally. So, but anyway, other features that make it illegal. Remember, has a detachable magazine. So anything else is a no-no. Can't have this. Can't have any kind of grip up front. That's a feature. So that's no good. That's illegal. Up here, you can't have this. It's just all it is a rail. I could, if I were to take this off, see it's on there. It's a Picatinny rail. Underneath it, the reason you could have the rail, that's fine. You can't. You could have a flashlight too, but you cannot have the bayonet lug that's underneath it that's holding this on. There's, I don't know if you could see it. The light's not that very great right now. But there's a That's the bayonet lug. I could try and take it off. There we go. Some light. There you go. Move that back a bit. See, it's on the bayonet lug. It's mounted to the bayonet lug. That's how this rail works. But that lug is an evil feature, so that's illegal. Now, this is illegal because it's a flash hider they used to do in New York, what they call the pinky test. Oh shit, my pinky fits in there. It's illegal. It's illegal, and it has a threaded muzzle, so that's also another illegal thing. This could be fixed on, but not with this. A compensator used to be okay. I don't know if that flies anymore. Um, I would guess, but so evil feature, evil feature, evil feature, evil feature, evil, and then another evil feature. So all evil features. So you can't have it. No. What would be different? Here, make this or can't. This is this is what's nuts. Is here. Say this had a fixed magazine inside it. Put the mag in. This thing could never come out. It's in there for good. You have to break this thing open all the time just to load it. Fixed magazine, semi-automatic. Now you could have this. You could have this. You could have that. Um, oh, this part here. No, this would have to be non-threaded. That's gone. It's illegal. But that would that would be okay. That would fly. Even the bayonet look. Why? There's no can't take the mag out. Like an SKS, for example. That's a fixed magazine. It takes stripper clips. Can load it faster than this probably, and that's legal because it doesn't have any of the evil features that are on it. So I don't know why anyone would even waste their time with an AR-15 when you could just, I would look for like a one of those Segas or something like that. That's a sporter. That's already good to go. No evil features. It's already broke down. You know, that's it. But these are all. This all puts you in jail. I've been having any of these things. This thing would be like a it'd be a big deal there. But that's your what's going on with you. So you cannot have anything if it takes mags like this and it goes inside and it's detachable. You can't have a pistol grip. You can't have a sliding stock. You can't have anything on the front. You can't have a bayonet lug. It's all evil features to your rifle. So don't end up in jail. And if you didn't register, I don't know what to tell you except had my own experiences with New York State in the past. But they will fry your ass. That's all I'm gonna say. They get off on that kind of shit. So don't get an AR-15 if you live in New York. There's no point. That's my honest opinion. Don't waste your money. Get yourself. I mean, because you ever seen them? I've seen the New York legal ones. They look so weird and retarded. You gotta break them in half. I mean, get yourself an SKS is probably the best, closest thing you could get that's comfortable to shoot, in my opinion. And they're cheap, to like 300, $400. So that's my opinion. So don't get arrested, you know. And that's all I can tell you. I would. I'm trying to think here. I would also say that even if you have registered this, a lot of people, a lot of my friends, they all forget that you have to keep re-registering it, and it does become property of the state once you register it. It's too late for anyone else now because it was you had a deadline of like I think it was 2014 sometime then, so you can't even have this. Even the people registered, you don't own it. The state owns it. You should really read about it if you don't know. So, but yeah, so don't get an AR-15. Get something else, or move out of New York if you want one, or vote out the people that are in there and get rid of the SAFE Act. So, from a former New Yorker that left, that's what'll get you in a lot of trouble. So, get something else. Ghost down.